Innovation? It doesn't need a lab coat and a chalkboard. Nope, just 20 ridiculously clever tools that'll make your workday faster, easier, and, dare I say, fun? Say goodbye to boring tasks and hello to your new favorite productivity sidekicks. Buckle up, because work is about to get a serious glow-up. Say goodbye to garage chaos. The Link Wall storage system turns boring walls into a tool-organizing superhero. Modular, mighty, and endlessly adjustable. No more digging through clutter like it's an archaeological dig. Just click, hang, and boom. Everything's exactly where you need it. Your workshop just leveled up. Forget messy caulk lines forever. The MG310 Compact is here to save the day. This little powerhouse applies silicone and acrylic sealants with laser-sharp precision, swaps cartridges in a snap, and stops drips before they even think about starting. Compact size, zero mess, maximum swagger. Sealing just got serious. The VEVOR Creeper provides comfortable under-vehicle access with thick padding, an adjustable headrest, and a durable steel frame supporting up to 300 pounds. 6 smooth rolling swivel casters ensure effortless movement, making repairs easier while giving your back a well-earned break. The Pronto multi-beam orbital laser projects a 360-degree horizontal line, vertical line, and plumb points for fast, accurate room layout from a single setup. Its long-range green laser, USB-C rechargeable battery, and rugged IP54 design make precision work easier on any job site. Heavy pallets? No problem. Meet the manual pallet truck, the unsung hero of your warehouse. With a reinforced chassis and hydraulic muscle, it glides through busy floors like it owns the place. Ergonomic design means your back stays happy, and lifting feels almost fun. Warehouse life just got way less demanding. The BKA Pro Konsole is a compact, heavy-duty support bracket designed for fast-edge formwork, wall support, and temporary safety barriers on construction sites. Its secure locking system, adjustable design, and galvanized construction provide reliable performance while making setup quicker and safer for concrete work. The horizontal plate lifting clamp securely grips and lifts steel plates weighing up to 2 tons with a strong locking jaw and built-in safety mechanism. Its durable alloy steel construction and easy-to-use design make handling heavy metal sheets safer, faster, and more reliable. This 20 volts brushless impact drill combines powerful drilling performance with up to 55 Newton-meters of torque in a compact, lightweight design. Complete with 2 batteries, a fast charger, drill bits, and a sturdy carrying case, it delivers reliable power and versatility for a wide range of jobs. The electric dumper truck is a compact, battery-powered hauler designed to move heavy loads efficiently in tight spaces. With a hydraulic tipping bed and zero-emission operation, it's ideal for construction, warehouses, gardening, and agricultural work where productivity and maneuverability matter most. The brake bleeder adapter makes brake fluid changes faster and cleaner with quick installation and a secure fit for a wide range of modern vehicles. Featuring a universal adapter, 360-degree rotating coupling, and durable storage case, it delivers reliable performance for professional brake maintenance. Say hello to the Wuko Clipper, Austria's precision-engineered answer to messy metal cuts. It slices through sheet metal smooth and distortion-free, with barely a shiver of vibration. Compact but mighty, it's the secret weapon for roofing, fabrication, and metalworking pros who demand clean cuts every single time. Cut like a champion. The Impulse Torque wrench delivers accurate fastening with a plus or minus 4% tolerance, helping prevent over or under-tightening of bolts and nuts. Featuring an easy-to-read scale, ergonomic grip, and durable chrome-plated steel construction, It provides reliable precision for demanding mechanical and industrial applications. The digital dual smoke machine quickly detects leaks across EVAP systems, intakes, exhausts, cooling systems, vacuum lines, and more, using low and high pressure testing. With a built-in air pump, digital readouts, and a complete adapter kit, it delivers fast, accurate automotive diagnostics anywhere. Warehouses can be a traffic jungle. Enter the A-Safe pedestrian barrier. This reinforced defender absorbs vehicle impacts like it's nothing, keeping pedestrians safe and traffic flowing smoothly. No more close calls, no more chaos. Just organized, protected walkways in warehouses, factories, and distribution centers. Safety just got a serious upgrade. Global Industrial Configurable Cabinets offer a durable modular storage solution that adapts to changing workplace needs. With customizable accessories, multiple sizes, and interchangeable components, they maximize organization, improve workflow, and reduce long-term costs by allowing easy reconfiguration instead of complete replacement. The UV Extreme Work Light delivers powerful UV LED curing for fast, efficient automotive paint and body repairs. With Bluetooth remote control, app connectivity, and synchronized operation of up to 4 units, it speeds up workflow while providing safe, convenient operation and durable job site reliability. The Wolftooth EnCase Pump is a compact, high-volume bike pump built for fast, reliable tire inflation on mountain, gravel, and fat bikes. Its waterproof sealing, frame-mounted design, and integrated storage for EnCase multi-tools make it a dependable companion for every ride. The Fluke FEV350 EV Charging Station. Analyzer simplifies electric vehicle charger testing with automated workflows, one-button test sequences, and seamless integration with TrueTest software. Designed for faster, more accurate diagnostics, it reduces manual data entry while improving efficiency and reliability in the field. The Aux Open. Weld heads deliver precise orbital welding in a compact modular design built for both workshop and on-site applications. Available in multiple sizes with optional wire feed capability, they provide outstanding weld quality, flexibility, and reliable performance even in confined industrial spaces. The Rod Dawg XL makes installing ground rods faster and safer by eliminating the need for ladders and sledgehammers. Designed for use with a hex shank jackhammer, it securely grips large ground rods, allowing efficient ground-level installation with less effort and greater safety. Which tool would you use first? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible tool discoveries.